What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? I know it's a little dark out. It's nighttime. It's like almost 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. On Sunday. Yeah. Van ran great since putting new alternators in and all that, and came to Anytime Fitness to take a shower and get cleaned and all that. Come back out to the van, get everything put up, get in. Nothing. Dead. Not even cranking, not even that rah, 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 none of, the usual stuff. Had my brother come out, we tried jumping it, nothing. Not a thing. So, went through my wonderful insurance, roadside assistance, and waiting on a tow. So, yeah, hopefully it might be the inverter that I installed from Walmart, but excuse me, never used it. I turned it on once, turned it off, nothing. So I think something's either that or something faulty wire, maybe bad ground. I don't know. Gonna figure that out tomorrow. Get the van towed to my buddy's shop, and yeah, first thing in the morning, find out what's going on top of hopefully getting that low pressure oil pump replaced. Let's see, but that's the update for right now. It's a little chilly, been raining out. It's supposed to get some a little later. Supposed to get cold down to 29 on Tuesday. I'm hopefully trying to get out of here Tuesday, but see what happens. So, yep, that's the update. If you like my videos and all that stuff, hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, and comment and all that stuff. To my son, Matt, I love you. You're the best. You're the greatest. Dad loves you. And love life, live life, enjoy life. And until next time.